Hi guys, Signed here. Today I'm gonna show you how to assemble CNC hop-up chamber set for GHK from Maple Leaf. Okay, first of all you have to start with this hop-up rubber and the Cray Jet Ineer Barrel. First of all I have to show you how to assemble it. Inside here you're gonna see a little arrow. Let me focus. Oh, there it is. You can see it. Now the arrow has to face the direction inside the barrel where you're gonna shoot. So arrow pointing upwards, take the barrel. You see you have the cut here and it's gonna go here to these grooves. Also you have this small line inside that's connect here. So you're gonna go like this. Okay, and it snaps. You can see it, it's inside here. Now, I can take this off. I'm gonna use silicone oil, thin, just a little bit. Put a little bit like so, oh, drop too much. And you smudge all over this hop-up. I do this process because it's very hard to fit dry rubber into this aluminum CNC cut hop-up chamber. Now you take a look at this, so the arrow is upward here, and you just slide this like so. And you have to see this hop-up chamber have grooves like here, and you have to align this, so you have to push like so. So now you take this pin and slide it here. Okay, so it's aligned and it's sitting. Okay, now you take this little pin that have indent and you place the indent like so and put into this chamber like this. Now you take this wheel, you see dot up here, have grooves, and you just align this like so and you push. It's done. And now you take this rubber ring, put here, and you push all the side like so until it's in these grooves. Okay, like this. And this is how you assemble the Maple Leaf hop-up chamber for GHK AK. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy. Tell me in the comments what you think about this video and have a great fun. See ya guys.